Hello everyone, welcome to Testadata. We really hope you enjoyed your time on our channel. We really hope you all had a good time on our channel, and if you do, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you and have a great day.